Clinical trials are essential to us learning how new medications can help and benefit patients. So it is incredibly essential that we bring discoveries from the laboratory to our patients through clinical trials. We face a lot of issues with clinical trials. You're exactly right. Funding is a primary problem. Through the NIH, the National Institutes of Health, we're having a large decrease in the amount of funding that is going to biomedical research and specifically to clinical trials. So we're having to look at other institutions, other foundations to help raise money to get these new products to patients. A reason why a patient may decide not to go into a clinical trial, in my opinion, is primarily about education. So you need to tell the patients about the benefits, the risks, and why becoming a participant in a clinical trial is not only potentially beneficial for the patient themselves, but most importantly for the greater good and scientific knowledge that we can learn from each study. Clinical trial participation, it's really about adding to scientific knowledge. It's about learning what new medications could potentially help, for instance, our breast cancer patients in the future, and what we can do to help translate the findings from science and from the laboratory to patients to ultimately help to decrease the amount of women that are affected by breast cancer and ultimately will die of breast cancer.